In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Mailmeteor to send personalized email campaigns right from Gmail. Let's go to the Mailmeteor website, mailmeteor.com, and click on the Install button at the upper right corner. You will be redirected to the Google Workspace listing page, where you can click now on the blue Install button. A new pop-up window appears, click on Continue. Here, you can select the account that you want to use Mailmeteor with. Review the permissions requested by the add-on, and if you're OK, click on Allow. And that's it, Mailmeteor is now installed. What I'm gonna do next is going to Google Spreadsheet. So type sheets.new, which is a shortcut to open a new Google Sheets document. And once the document is opened, go to the menu bar at the top, click on Add-ons, Mailmeteor, open Mailmeteor. Here it is, you're now ready to send your first email campaign with Mailmeteor.